This is my Samsung washing machine. It's a 7 kilogram 1200 spin machine. I have a newborn baby and another half. So as you can imagine, we do an awful lot of washing. I love this machine for many reasons. It's got a lot of programs. Baby care one, which is ideal. Being a first time mum, wasn't sure sort of temperatures, times and etc. to wash on. It definitely helped me out a lot. It's got a quick wash, 15 minutes, 20, 30. Again, having a baby, amazing. Yeah, so many different programs, large drum. It makes lots of noises for you when you turn it on and off when the program finishes. So you know when it's done and you can hear it over the crying baby, which is great. You can also turn it off though if it's not your thing. Yeah, it's my washing machine, my best friend.